Tonight, we're learning more about issues facing the Ritzville Hospital, operated by East Adams Rural Healthcare. The hospital faced a potential closure back in 2025, and now an independent audit confirms millions of dollars lost from previous administration staff. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy breaks down everything we know.
Months after East Adams Rural Healthcare faced a possible closure and/or layoffs due to budget woes, new details are emerging. The chief operating officer for East Adams, Dallas Killian, said an independent audit conducted by an accounting firm based out of Spokane Valley known as DZA. Documents revealed a loss of $10.5 million between 2022 and 2024. Current leadership revealed previous hospital administrators allegedly concealed deficits, falsified financial documents, and engaged in unauthorized spending. This includes false documents on a federal grant and falsely billed Medicaid and Medicare to the tune of just over $1 million. These discoveries were made in June of 2025, when at the time, the former CFO, whose name is not mentioned in the audit, resigned. This brought the hospital to the brink of closure that same year. The hospital sent what's called a war notice to the state, telling them they may have to close back in November of last year. Documents also show there are 14 ongoing investigations into fraud at the hospital at the state, federal, and local government level, and 2 rounds of layoffs took place in 2025 to cut expenses. To continue operating, the hospital secured emergency funding and is currently working to settle roughly $5 million in unsecured debt. This, according to the audit, is to avoid filing for bankruptcy. East Adams Health also filed to operate as the state's first rural emergency hospital. This, the audit shows, would be a more sustainable hospital model by adjusting its workforce and lowering payroll expenses. That application has been submitted as of Thursday night. We've reached out to the interim CEO of East Adams, Dan Nita, for comment, but have not heard back. We'll continue following this story as it develops. Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.